Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara Henderson and you are watching Tamara's Hair Care. So today I am going to do a wash day routine video. My hair is extremely dry. I have been wearing curls like a protective styles for 2 weeks now, so I detangle my hair. If you have not seen my detangling video guys, or I detangle my hair for it to look like this, please go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to put the link down below so you guys can see how I detangle my hair. Now my hair is freshly detangled and my hair is extremely dry, so it hasn't been washed for 2 weeks. It hasn't been moisturized for 2 weeks. It hasn't been anything for 2 weeks. And another thing I have been doing, like I've been working out now, so I'm sweating my head a lot, so my hair is extremely dirty. So what I like to do when my hair is extremely dry, before washing my hair, I like to use some conditioner, some water in a applicator bottle, and I like to pour the conditioner in the water and fully drench my hair with this mixture and let it sit on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my god. For about 15 to 20 minutes, and then that will help to add moisture back into my hair, so when I wash my hair doesn't feel like really dry. I don't know if you guys ever done this technique before, but I find it pretty helpful. I've done it a few times whenever my hair is extremely dry. Just use some conditioner in my hair first before shampooing and let it sit there for a while, soften up my hair, add moisture, and then my hair will feel extremely soft. This is so hard to get into the bottle, but we gotta make it work. I think I have a little bit too much water inside the bottle actually, so I think I'm gonna pour off some of the water, and I just use whatever condition that I have. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and be a part of the hair care family. So guys, let's go ahead and apply the mixture to my hair. It's right here. It's like a full bottle. Now that the mixture is ready, we're gonna apply it to the length of my hair. Oh my god, I love my hair. It's so nice. I feel like I could just go out like this. Like I feel like this is like a nice little look. I do my makeup and everything and my hair will be looking like super cute, because I do still have some curl under here. Oh my god. But anyways, let's go. Let's just apply this mixture. I'm starting from the root because I want to soften up the root, because I'm 8-week post relaxer, so I have like a bunch of new growth, and it has been getting really rough down there and really difficult down there, so I need to put this down here to really soften up the root. And this gonna definitely helps with moisture, so I need to like restore my hair, because it, as I said to you guys, it's super dry because I haven't moisturized it at all for the past 2 weeks, so I need to add some moisture. And this was like a short-term protective style, because you curl it and you just let it stay there, you don't detangle, nothing. So it's like a short-term protective style while your hair looking nice. So now that I got the root for that side, let's move on to this side. apply the mixture to my entire head, I'm going to just use some oil to go over it, over the conditioner. So we're locking in the moisture. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wrap it up and put a shower cap on and let it just sit there. So guys, now that my hair has been washed, I washed it 3 times. I am gonna now apply my deep conditioner treatment, and today I am using the Care Intensive Restorative Mask. So this is what it looks like. I really love this deep conditioner, guys. It smells really good too. I'm almost out. I think I have like maybe 1.5 use left in here, because you have to make sure you use a generous amount of deep conditioner. So I'm just going to section my hair into 2, and then I'm going to apply the deep conditioner to my hair. I'm going to gently detangle the first half so I can distribute the deep conditioner in my hair thoroughly. And I'm not gonna like fully detangle it, just like to take out some of the knots, because I wash my hair forward. It tends to cause a little more knots because I didn't do it in the shower, because it's easier for me to wash my hair in the sink than in the shower. And as you guys can see, I'm using a really wide tooth comb. This is my shower comb. Okay, so I think here is good enough. Let's do it at the other side. And we're gonna use a generous amount, like that. You have to make sure you give your hair like a lot of TLC. Like, you can't be stingy when it comes to deep conditioning your hair. You have to make sure you use a generous amount of deep conditioner, just to make sure your hair gets all the TLC. So I just like dive that in. See that? It's like covered. And then I just like massage it in. Make sure you get the back of your head, the edges. I'm gonna add a shower cap, and I'm gonna also add another shower cap to help to lock in the heat. And I'm just gonna let this sit on my hair for about an hour or more, depending, but nothing less than an hour. But if you have a hooded dryer, you can sit underneath a hooded dryer and go like 20-30 minutes. But because I'm not going to do that. I do have a hooded dryer, but I'm not going to do that because I have some stuff to get done. So I'm going to do those stuff that I have to do around the house, and then after an hour to hour and a half, I will then wash my deep conditioner out and take a shower. Hey guys, so my hair has been washed. I had in the treatment for like 2.5 to 3 hours because I had some stuff to do around the house because I had to cook dinner. So I had in the treatment for a very long time, and I took a shower and washed it out. Now I have it wrapped up in a cotton kind of t-shirt like. So here it is. I'm just gonna add my leave-in conditioner and detangle my hair, and hopefully I will get to blow dry it. So I'm just gonna finger detangle it a little, then add my leave-in conditioner. My hair feel extremely soft, guys, like really soft. Today I'm gonna use my Mizani 21 Miracle Milk leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna apply this to my entire head. Oh my god, I've been washing my hair since this morning. And now it's like after, no, I think I started this afternoon, and now it's like after 8 p.m. because I have to leave in the conditioner in my hair for a while. Now I'm just gonna let my hair dry a little, and then I detangle it, and I may blow dry my hair. I'm not sure as yet, but you guys will see if I decided to blow dry my hair. But for now, I'm just gonna let it hair dry a little. Say hi.
Don't worry. Okay, this will be out of the news cycle by lunch. I can't take that chance, kid. That health inspector is all over me. They think we're a danger to the public. And if they pull us from the stores, you're out of job.
Hey guys, so I am back. My hair is like I would say maybe 60% dry, but it's actually pretty late and I need to go to bed. So I'm just gonna finish the tango and do a ponytail maybe and just let it sit, and then tomorrow it will like fully dry. So that's what I'm doing now. Roll me to sleep, thank God, because she doesn't like to sleep. So I get a chance to finish up my hair. Okay, so this is my hair now. As I said, it's maybe like 75% dry, but the root is not like dry, but it's like getting there. But yeah, I'm just gonna add some oil in my scalp and moisturize the length of my hair. So I'm just trying to take out any shedded hair. So as a matter of fact, I'm not gonna oil it as yet. I'm not gonna oil the scalp as yet. I'm just gonna oil the length of my hair tomorrow when my hair is fully dry. Then I oil the scalp because I don't want to oil it. It's not like fully dry as yet. So let me just oil the length, and then I will oil my scalp tomorrow when my hair is like fully dry. This is so nice. My hair feels so soft and looks so healthy. Like, this is so nice. So yes guys, this is the end of my wash day routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in another hair care video. Bye guys.